Hey, what's up guys, I'm your host ICU Corner back with another video. So in this channel I show you how to make money with the help of cryptocurrency. So if you love crypto and want to make more money from it, please subscribe to my channel and stay until the end of this video to get complete information about this awesome project that we are going to talk about in few minutes. So let's get straight into the video. So in this video we'll be talking about another IDO that will be conducted by Yellow Road. So this will be the third IDO that will be conducted by Yellow Road. So this IDO will be coming out on 10th May, so which is after 4 days. So if you want to participate, I recommend you to watch the complete video so you don't miss out any step and lose your allocations. First of all, if you are new to Yellow Road, you must know some of the basic things that is a main requirement for you to get allocated in the Yellow Road IDO. So minimum requirement of Yellow Road IDO allocation is 50 road token. So you must hold 50 road token to get allocated and get eligible for applying in the IDO. So any number less than 50 will be rejected automatically. And another good thing is that they have updated their guaranteed allocation requirements. So the people coming in the top 1000 list will be getting guaranteed allocation. So top 1000 people will be getting guaranteed allocation in their IDO. So top 1000 people in the sense top 1000 people that are holding road token. So if you are coming in the top 1000 list, you will be getting guaranteed allocation and you don't have to fill out any whitelisting form. So this is another plus point if you are holding road token and coming in 1000 list. So this is a cool opportunity to get allocated every time if you hold road token. So if you are new to Yellow Road, you have to just click on this view launchpad and it will be redirecting you to this page, and here you can see the upcoming, active and closed tab. When you click on the upcoming tab, it will be showing you the projects that will be conducted as an IDO in future. So the Rozan Finance IDO will be coming in 4 days. So here you can see all the basic information about the IDO. The base coin will be BNB and the 1 BNB rate will be declared at the time of the IDO because the price of BNB is already fluctuating in the market. So at the last moment they are calculating the conversion rate, and the access is still private because IDO is not yet conducted. So you can participate in this IDO by filling the whitelisting form. I'll be giving you the whitelisting link in the description box. If you want to fill the whitelisting form, you can go through the description box, and please make sure to watch this complete video so you don't miss out any step for filling the whitelisting form and miss your chance to get allocated in the IDO. In the active section, you will be seeing all the active IDOs. All the previous IDOs are closed right now, and here you can see on the close tab, you can see the previous history of the IDOs that are conducted by Yellow Road. Here you can see 1 million NFT. This was the first IDO conducted by Yellow Road and it was 91% fill. So here you can check out all the detailed history of the IDOs that are conducted by Yellow Road. So let's check out the Rozan Finance project. So this project is basically focusing on multi-chain yield aggregator plus NFT. Rozan Finance is a mobile yield aggregator that manages your crypto plus NFT portfolios and optimize yield across DeFi and Cefi network. So this project is basically a yield aggregator that will be managing your cryptocurrencies and NFT portfolios and optimizing the yield across DeFi and Cefi network. You can also download their applications directly by clicking on these links over here. So you must be wondering why we should use the Rozan Finance application. So they will be aggregating the liquidity from Cefi and DeFi networks and bringing you the best from both the worlds. So this will be accumulating the liquidity from Cefi and DeFi network in the one platform, and it will be giving you all the benefits from both the worlds, that is DeFi and Cefi network. So they will be optimizing the yield and bringing the DeFi to your fingertips. So with the help of Rozan Finance app, they are going to optimize the yield of your cryptocurrencies and bringing the DeFi network into your fingertips. They are also going to focus on NFT collections and the marketplace into one single place into that application. So here you can check out all the detailed information by going through the site. So here are the key features of Rozan Finance savings by locking your cryptocurrency and earning rewards, portfolio manager UX, NFT gallery, yield farm and swap. So these are the cool features of Rozan Finance. You can check them out, and here are the team members of Rozan Finance. You can check out their profiles, and if you have any doubt regarding the project, you can ask them and you can reach out to their Telegram also. You will be definitely getting your doubts clarified there. And here you can see their integration and partners list. You can check them out too, and here you can check out their investors list also. You can check them out too if you want, and you can also go through their frequently asked question list. And I recommend you to follow them on all the social medias, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram and Medium. So this will be helping you to get notification of all the IDO updates and IDO requirements that they are going to implement in future before the IDOs. So, and this will be helping you to meet the requirements of the IDO application form too. And I also recommend you to go through their white paper, terms and condition and privacy policy before entering into any project. So let's check out the IDO process of Rosen.finance. So in the Medium post of the Yellow Road, you will be getting complete information about Rosen Finance, and you can also get detailed information about whitelisting requirements, what you have to follow and what you have to meet to get allocated. So for getting allocation, you must follow the 2 steps, that is hold ROAD token or provide liquidity on PancakeSwap pool. So this is the first step for getting allocation. So you must hold ROAD token. The minimum requirement of ROAD token is 50, and more than that will be very much beneficial for you to get more allocation. You can also provide the liquidity in the PancakeSwap pool, because providing liquidity will be giving you benefit. You will be getting twice allocation for the same amount of ROAD token. So the second step for getting allocation in the IDO is that you must follow Yellow Road and Rosen Finance on Twitter, and also join the Telegram groups of Rosen Finance and Yellow Road. So after following and joining the Twitter and Telegram groups, you have to click on this here tab for getting the whitelisting form. So after clicking on the whitelisting form, the whitelisting form will be looking like this. Here you have to enter your email address and you have to click on this I understand tab both the times, and you have to provide your Telegram username and Twitter in order to cross check that you have followed them on Twitter and Telegram both. And at the end, you have to just enter your MetaMask Binance Smart Chain address over here, and you have to just click on this I understand tab, and then you have to just click on this submit tab, and your IDO application will be submitted. So if you are lucky enough, you will be getting allocated in their IDO. You will be getting notified 24 hours before the IDO time. Make sure to join the Telegram group, because they are constantly posting all the updates of the IDO that they are going to conduct, and 24 hours before they will be giving the winners list that will be getting allocated. So I recommend you to participate in the IDOs that are conducted by Yellow Road, because all the projects till now have given the best result and best profit to all the users that have get allocated in the IDO. I am hoping for the best result in this IDO too, and make sure that you have filled the application form for the IDO. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.